Alright traders, greetings. Today is 15th of April 2020. We are now live trading for E-Mini S&P futures market. So at this moment we are on the buy signal based from my live telegram channel, which is you can get the link in the description below. So we are on the buy call to buy at 2764 and targeted TP at 2774 should be around 10 more points. So the stop loss will be at 27.54, so 1 equal to 1, and let's go back to the platform and see whether we are in the good position. So at this moment I've entered one lot position size for micro account. So let's take a look. There's a view outline far above, and the target is 74, could be higher. So there's a possibility for the market to reach 80 as well. So yep, let's wait and see. Okay, the target is around 10 points, so this is my entry over here. You can see that the Kian triangle over here is my entry, and I'm expecting to go on the higher side. So based from the current situation, we are about 2 points lower. Yep, so in case of the volume, it's quite interesting. There is a lot of queuing at 27.64, so I might re-enter again with a higher position size, maybe to add in more position, but I think one should be enough because the target is 10 and should be a good one, and so everything's will be fine. So by the way, since the beginning we can see that there is a good bearish kind of movement during the beginning of US Sesion at 9 a.m. New York time, and so you can see there's a sideways then a penetration down. Could be this is the last cycle over here, then price might try to reverse back everything to the higher side. So we are a bit almost near to this entry level, which is at 27.64. If you can see in my screen, I try to enlarge it, but that's the best view I can give. I try to get one more. Hope you can see the price, which is the entry price is 27.64. Yeah, over here, and PNL is still minus, but should be okay. So I think I might enter one more position size, 27.64. Yep, I think 27. How to enter this one? Alright, 27.64. Oh, I miss it. I think I miss it. I tried to add one more position, but I think I miss it already. Damn. Okay, let's see. I think okay. I think can include one more position or not. Let this position run first. Okay. We'll let this position run first, and we'll see. The target is at 27.74, which is 10 more points ahead. Alright, so over here this is the target. So let's take a look on the view outline. Yeah, view outline is far above, and also this is the pivot line, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, pivot support 1. The pivot support 1 is at 27.81, and our entry is so in between. I will exit the position at 27.74. So while waiting for this trade to move, at this moment we are on the positive side. So if you are trading a normal standard account, you should earn around 75 or 62 US dollar in profit based from the mini standard account, but this one is a micro, so you have to divide by 10. Alright, while waiting I will pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, seems like the market reversed back downwards on the negative side of our entry. So based from the current situation, we are about 2 points lower, so I will queue one more position to buy stop at 27.64 to re-enter the market, or maybe it should be a bit higher. One moment. If the price still not yet okay, we already in the market, so I have a double position at 27.64. Let's go back to the position size. So I need to increase my exit into 2. That's the profit targeted area, which is this yellow line. So the losses, 27.54 is the stop loss in case the price didn't go towards our direction. 37,654 will queue for 2 positions. To stop, we are on the buy position. Okay, looks good. As for now, the price remain on the higher side, so I have queue both position. The stop loss is this purple line, and the profit target is this yellow line. So I hope everything's fine. So let's take a look a bit on the chart. Okay, there is a huge sell over for crude oil, so price already go below to $20. So for this E-Mini S&P futures, there is a possibility for the upward movement. There's a reversal candle over here, which is shows there's a blue candle, and looks good. Let's go back to the platform and see our position. Profit target at this moment is 0 0. We have a 2 position from this micro account. If you are trading normal standard mini account, you can earn you just need to multiply by 10. So there's a slight sideways movement over here, which is not encouraging for our position, because we expect a burst further up. Okay, now we are moving. Looks good. Now $22 in profit, or 225 if you are trading a normal standard account. 25 keep rising. Looks good and looks good. So I'm also waiting for a short sell in this this one is crude oil. I have to go multiple chart. I have a few position, and this one is my S&P futures, and looks good. The highest just now is 67. We are entering at 64. 67 should be 3 points times to $630. So now back to $12. Hope everything will move fast to push the price on the higher side. If the price was back, then not good out for our entry actually. But I'm using time frame 1 minute for this platform. Let's go back to the chart. Looks nothing, no problem. Looks no problem, but I have to be careful in case the price cross back. Then so in 57 seconds, I will pause for a while this video. I need to do some analysis. But from my live Telegram channel, I have mentioned. Alright, the TP is 74, stop loss is 54, so could be the same. Nothing's changed. I have to send out. Okay, order fill. Forget about this. Order fill. Alright. So let's go back to the platform. This is the chart. The platform still break even, slightly higher than our entry. Okay, looks good. So we'll pause this video for a while and resume later on. Alright guys, back again. So far looks good. There's a big strong candle over here, can be seen. Now the higher just now is 30, 32, 35 US dollar in profit, 32, and now keep increasing to 35. Looks good, looks quite promising, but I'm expecting more, about 100 US dollar in terms of the profit for this trade. So hopefully everything goes smoothly, or maybe in between we will exit fast. Okay, price keep increasing. This is quite good for our position. If you are trading standard mini account, just multiply by 10. So there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it for this live signal Telegram channel. There's a free trial for 2 weeks. Hope you enjoy the free trial and make some money during that time. And for me, you can check all my video live trading at my YouTube channel. There's a section for E-Mini S&P futures only, and also crude oil video trading as well. Okay, looks good. I'm expecting a triple bull candle, but now the candle is red. Just need to make sure. I need to go back to the chart. I will pause for a while. Alright traders, resume back again. So at this moment we are on the minus, which is on the negative side. The price keep dropping from our entry point. Doesn't look good. We should release one position over here just now. Okay, that looks like a pullback. Hopefully not the major one, and not the reversal of the entire price. A bit nervous because the drawdown is more than our floating positive. Now is minus 45, half of the position already. That was painful. So let's wait for sign that the market will reverse back to the higher side. Let's be patient. Yeah, of course a bit nervous during trading, of course, because we are risking some of our capital inside it, and hopefully with a good money management we can manage it pretty well, hopefully not to lose everything during one day, and try to come back to again tomorrow with the same strategy, with the same method, and try to be positive and optimistic for the opportunity in the market. Okay, I will pause for a while and waiting for the market to break through to the positive side. Okay. Alright, traders, seems like the market made a reversal. Now we are almost back to the entry level, which is at 27.64. By the way, I will add one more position, which is at 27.66.75. There's a blue can line as an third entry. So we're still on the minus at this moment, still minus $5 in profit, minus 10. If you're trading normal standard account, it should be around minus 125, about that. Because multiply by 10 for standard mini account, and this is a micro account. So there's a good margin for micro account. I'm using M futures, so the margin is around $50 per lot, so I just need around $100 for this trade. So I can add one more position, which is at 27.66.75, which is for additional continuation of the trend from my expectation. So while waiting for the market to react on the higher side, I will keep pause this video, so I will not make this video too long for you guys to watch it till the end, but please feel free to watch it till the end. Alright. Looks good, not the worst. You can see that the market made the worst just now. Now reverse back to the higher side. If possible, I hope the market will remain on the higher side, higher than 27.69, which is quite positive for our PNL. At this moment still minus $15 or $125 in losses. But I will pause this video for a while and resume back later on. Alright guys, one position already hit the stop loss, which is at being set from my live telegram channel, which is at let's take a look back, 27.54, which is the stop loss, and we hit the SL for today. May requeue back, but there's a risk if we are requeuing back using the same signal twice, but we can try our luck. So let's wait. I have one more position still working on the same entry at 27.64, and I also requeue one more position at 27.64. Try to take more risk, and the stop loss is the nearest to the lowest, and hopefully everything will be fine and get back to the positive side and do recovery and make some profit for today. Okay, a bit tough today. The market seems very choppy. We can see clearly the first entry, second entry, and now first stop loss. Hopefully there is no second stop loss, hopefully. And this is third entry, possibly using the same signal. Hope everything's to be on our side. That's what can I hope, but seems pretty hard because price really close to the stop loss, so maybe you might hit the stop loss any moment from now. Yep, more likely it's impossible for the market to go for the higher side. I need to go take a look on the analysis for a while. Also we hit the stop loss. Okay, so both we have losses of 102 for today, which is quite high, and the price remain on the higher side. I try to reverse back. Let's wait. Hopefully there is no other signal to go. In case there is a sign for the market to go downward movement, then we have to short sell later on in the next few minutes. So let's wait and see. I also still requeue the position of one lot at the same price level to go for this targeted TP, which is at 37.74. Now I need to change it into 1 because I only Q1 position. Alright, very unlucky today, very unlucky today. In case the price reverse further down, then could be this will be a good sell position. Alright, but seems like price go for the higher side. Okay, I think I will open my TP target until the view up line. That's the target, I guess. Alright, we'll pause for a while and resume back later on. Alright guys, we have re-enter again. So at this moment order already been filled. Also in my live telegram channel I already provide the re-entry with the two possibility of taking profit targeted price level, which is at 27.77 and 27.74. Need to make sure order fill. Was very unlucky today because I'm doubling my position size, and now the price hit the stop loss both. But now hope for the price to reverse back to the higher side. We have two position on the play at this moment, and we choose the second target TP area, which is at 27.77 or 27.79. Looks quite strong at this moment. I hope the price will touch the view up line, which is this yellow line. This video will take longer than expected, already 16 minutes. So we will be using the same stop loss, which is at 27.54. In case price reverse back, then we'll have more problem. Alright, so stop loss has been placed, so let it be for a while. Hopefully the price be on our side, maintain on the above 27.64. We are plus now, so let's wait for the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Hopefully everything's remain on the higher side. Alright, traders, resume back again. So we hit the stop loss, and this moment that's it for today. Losses of 10 points, double entry, so should be losses of 20 points. So it was really unexpected with a large entry as well. So no luck for us today, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have better luck. So as for today, that's it, and like, share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So by the way, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye bye.